If you use Bluehost for your website or hosting, one of the smartest things you can do today is secure your account with two-factor authentication. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can turn on 2FA, protect your login, and add an extra layer of security to your Bluehost account. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account as you normally would. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where your account settings are stored, including your personal profile and security options. After clicking the profile icon, select My Profile from the menu. This will take you to your account profile page, where you can manage your personal information and security settings. Now scroll down until you find the security section. Bluehost keeps the two-factor authentication option inside this area, so take your time and look carefully. Inside the security section, search for the two-factor authentication or 2FA option. Depending on the current Bluehost interface, it may also be labeled as security verification or something very similar. Once you find it, click Enable or Activate to begin the setup process. At this point, Bluehost may log you out of your account for security reasons. Don't worry if that happens, because this is completely normal. If you're signed out, just enter your Bluehost credentials again and sign back in so you can continue the setup. Next, Bluehost will send a verification code to the email address linked to your account. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Bluehost. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders just in case it landed there. Once you find the email, copy the verification code exactly as it appears. Now go back to Bluehost and paste or type the code into the verification field. Be sure to enter it carefully, since the code must match exactly. After that, click Verify to confirm the setup. Once the code is accepted, your two-factor authentication will be enabled successfully. That means your Bluehost account now has an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for someone else to log in, even if they know your password. This is especially important if you manage client sites, store billing details, or have multiple websites connected to your account. And that's it. You've now secured your Bluehost account with 2FA. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in protecting your account and your website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.